one question related to number system. This year in 2025 they have asked 26 questions in number system. So every year they were asking like 15 to 18 questions. So number system, it is major portion. We will take maximum 15 hours, 18 hours. Here so many types are there. For example, type 1 we have summation or basics. Then type 2 original and reverse of a number. Type 3 cyclicity or finding unit digit. Type 4 that is remainder theorem. Type 5 HCF LCM, and so many other types are there. So we will solve this question, the basic question. The number of mangoes sold by the seller is K less than the number of oranges sold by him. Mangoes means M, oranges means take it as OR. If you take O, it will be looking like 0. So take OR. If the number of oranges sold is even number and the value of K is an integer but neither prime nor composite, then which of the following options can be the possible number of mangoes sold by the seller? Listen carefully. Before solving this question, you should know what is prime number, what is composite number. These basics we will teach in the class. So the value of K is an integer. Integer may be negative, 0 or positive, anything, but it should be neither prime nor composite. We know one is neither prime nor composite. Therefore, value of K is fixed, that is 1. Then according to this statement, write one equation. The number of mangoes M sold by the seller is K less than the number of oranges. Listen here, is K less than the number of oranges? K less than the number of oranges, whether it may be less or more, nothing but difference between this K and orange. They are telling K less than the number of oranges means oranges number will be more. So oranges minus K. Then another clue is there. Number of oranges, this number of oranges is there, right? It is sold in an even number. For example, it may be 2 oranges, 4, 6, anything. This oranges is even number. Then they are asking, then which of the following options can be the possible number of mangoes sold by the seller? Okay, basics we know. Even plus even, that is even. Odd plus odd. You don't remember this, you should not buy odd. Just even plus even means 2 plus 2. Take any random number, 2 plus 2, 4. Odd plus odd. Take 3 plus 5, 8. Even plus even is even. Odd plus odd is even. So these basics we will teach in class. So any even number minus, you know the value of K as 1. Even minus 1. Take any example. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 10 minus 1, 9. Means even number minus 1, answer will be always odd. So that directly you can say answer is odd number. Number of mangoes sold will be an odd number.